wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best toys for kids of all ages. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Sculptures created with the fat brain squigz sometimes seem to defy the laws of physics. That's because the built-in suction cups form strong bonds that allow for architectural creativity. Just make sure you keep the smaller pieces away from your 1 or 2-year-old. It's dishwasher safe and BPA and latex free. However, it is too pricey for some. At number 9, if you can jump, you can operate the Stomp Rocket Ultra. Simply launch yourself onto the base and watch a brightly colored foam projectile soar off into the sky. As your Rocketeer gets older, they'll be able to achieve greater height and distance. It encourages an interest in science and is lightweight and portable, but the rockets are easy to lose. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Hasbro Furby is capable of learning English and carrying on a conversation. Not only can it interact with the real world, it can also connect to the virtual universe that exists inside a free app, making it a unique way to introduce children to technology. Its eyes are expressive and animated, and the included mask puts it to sleep, which is good because it annoys some parents. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toys for kids of all ages, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with the coolsand 3D box, you can bring the fun of the beach into your own home, but without all the mess. This kinetic sand sticks to itself, making it easy to shape and hard to spill. The dinosaur-themed accessories only enhance the experience. It's completely non-toxic and comes with 10 shaping molds, but note that some of the pieces are choking hazards. Moving up our list to number 6. Add a little water to the wowmazing giant bubble kit and you'll soon see some of the biggest soap bubbles you've ever encountered. Easy to learn and fun to share, this activity should keep summer whimsical and exciting for years to come. It includes a booklet of tips and tricks and is made in the USA. However, it doesn't come with much bubble mix. Halfway up our list at number 5. Many toddlers enjoy scribbling away on a sheet of paper as soon as they can hold a pen. Encourage their creative talents with the Art 101 set, and you just might have a future artist on your hands. The 142 pieces inside cover everything from crayons to watercolors. It includes a pencil sharpener and an eraser, and comes in a convenient wooden storage case with a wide range of hues. At number 4, whether they use it to train for a competitive game or to just have a bit of fun, the Wilson traditional soccer ball is a great way to have your young ones get active instead of sitting inside all day, and it's built to last, so you shouldn't need a replacement anytime soon. Its synthetic cover is soft to the touch, and the rubber bladder holds air well. It's available in different sizes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Cultivate your little Mozart's musical talents with the Casio portable keyboard. It comes with 10 built-in songs, so a baby can have a good time pressing the buttons, but it's also a functional instrument that even an adult can use to play their favorite tunes. The controls are easy to use, and it runs on batteries or AC power. Parents, be thankful, it's equipped with a headphone jack. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toys for kids of all ages, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the concept of battle sheep is simple. Spread your tokens out to create the biggest flock. Anyone familiar with board games, no matter how young, should be able to grasp the rules quickly, but older players can dive deep into the strategy for a more cerebral experience. It offers great replay value, and the pieces are large and sturdy. It accommodates 2 to 4 people. And taking the top spot on our list, youngsters can enjoy LEGO Classic for their entire childhood, and they just might keep up the hobby even when they become adults. This colorful set has everything you need to get started and is compatible with all of the brand's other products. It's good for children as young as 4 and comes with 221 pieces and a brick separator. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for toys for kids of all ages, or simply click beneath this video.